With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, you can be confident that this pre-owned vehicle will provide you reliable transportation. Top features include front fog lights, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, a trailer hitch, and a split-folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.